How to use Polybuzz. First things first is of course download the application via Google Play Store if you're using Android, and then just simply use any app store that you can use if you're using an iOS device. Now go to the search bar and simply type in poly.ai. Polybuzz is actually formerly known as poly.ai, so it's actually the same application. Now launch your Polybuzz application, and then in here make sure that you are logged into your account. If you do not have an account, just simply create one. It's for free. Now at the lower portion of your screen, you should be able to see home, your chat box bot, the creation page, the discover, and then your account info. In here, what you can do is to choose any role that you would like to interact on a specific bot. So let's just simply choose on any random bot right here. Then what you can do is just you can freely type in any conversation you want to initiate for that specific role you choose. And that's basically it. It's how you use Polybuzz AI.